Do you want to know how I enjoy this aesthetic background? Well, here's my secret to changing any background without a green screen on InShot. So let's get started. Download InShot app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Import your background videos from the gallery. Tap PIP and import the video of yourself talking to the camera. Press Autofill to fit the screen. Now tap Cut Out to remove the background. Enjoy the aesthetic background. That's it. So now you know how to use the cutout tool to teleport yourself to any place you can dream of with the little help from InShot. If you like the video, please share, like and subscribe the YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.